tell me a little bit about how hormones impact someone over 40 in a fitness journey. How important are
Yeah. I mean, they're absolutely massive. I mean, you hear the stories of guys saying, man, I felt like crap, finally went into a TRT clinic, got my levels checked, started, and without doing much, I started to become more muscular, have lower levels of fat. And I think like the physiology changes are very evident. People carry more lean body mass when they have good testosterone levels. It's easier to lose fat. What I'm really interested too is like the cognitive benefits. Like I think like the testosterone has such a huge role in male health in the brain as we age too. So you want to have good levels. And I think it's a funny dance. This might not be your exact question, but I think it's worth talking about. Many people who are like famous inventors and stuff like this say that they actually had some of their most productive years like later on in life when their testosterone levels like decreased. And I suppose it's because testosterone can make us very motivated to chase certain kinds of things, like get very physically dominant and pursue certain things. And so I think there's like a sweet spot in terms of what your testosterone can, and I use the word should very loosely, be where you get the benefits of like physical optimization while you're also not just like a teenage boy. And those guys can be like total idiots, right? Just running around, just like totally driven by a hormone that kind of can hijack your whole mentality. So it seems like there's a sweet spot in there.
Yeah, there is science behind that. The lower level testosterone is where men need to be because they make dumb decisions when their testosterone is high.
Yeah.
There's a whole argument, a movement surrounding that. I personally I'm the opposite. I see a lot of that. My ambition, my drive, the physical dominance, man, I could take it or leave it. I'm already a
Mm-hmm.
big guy, 6'2", approaching 300 pounds. So
Yeah.
whatever. Got the beard and everything. Mental health, my anxiety, gone. I mean, before
Yeah.
testosterone, I was the kid that was failing public speaking, not the kid that was hosting a podcast. So
Right.
it's just like night and day, the things that it's done for my mental health. So I'm a big advocate there.
I want to share something too, because I think it's like people that discover testosterone or start to optimize, like you get really excited because people see profound early shifts and changes. But I think there could be a misunderstanding that the picture of health and optimization is far deeper than just hormone levels. I think hormone levels are a big part of it. I think most guys listening to this probably have some room to improve with either training in a better way and certainly circadian rhythm and getting more trained to like light cycles and stuff like that. So testosterone can definitely like prop you up and help you stay good. But I'd like to even spend some time talking about light if you're willing to go there, because I think there's a lot of optimization that can happen for guys when they understand circadian rhythm properly.